to PKC, Meddling with Maths. So today we'll be looking at LCM and factors. So the explanation of LCM. LCM means finding the lowest common multiple of 2 or any other amount of numbers. LCM stands for the lowest common multiple. For example, find the LCM of 2 and 4. There is an easy way of finding the LCM. So you first work out the numbers that go into 2 and 4 and then find the LCM that way. So for the people who do not understand, this will be explained more better in the next 2 slides. So we're first going to look at what is the LCM of 2 and 3. Okay, so I'll just get my pen. So for this, you're gonna draw a diagram similar to what you do when doing the bus stop method or long division, but it's inverted. So it asks for the LCM of 2 and 3. So you write 2, 3 inside this. So then outside here you're gonna write what goes into 2 or what goes into 3. You're gonna do this one by one. So this is a simple question, not like the next question we're gonna do together. So 2 goes into 2 one time. So your main aim is to get everything to become 1. That's what it is. So 1 and 3 are left. So you can just leave this now because you've already found that out. Now what goes into 3 one time? 3. And so the answer, so at the end you should always get everything as 1. That's the main aim. So after that you multiply the 2 numbers that are outside here. That's the main rule. For example, if there's a 4 as well and a 5, you also multiply all of them. It's not adding, it's multiplying. So 2 times 3 is equal to 5. So the LCM, the lowest common multiple, is 5. So the answer is 5. Now let's go to another question. Find the LCM of 3, 6 and 9. So again you draw that bar and then you write 3, 6 and 9 inside here. So what goes commonly into 3, 6 and 9? It's obvious, it's 3. On the first chance it doesn't have to, all the numbers shouldn't have to become 1, but you can keep on reducing again and again if you find it hard to immediately reduce it to 1. So 3 goes one time into 3, so this number is out because it's become 1. 3 times 2 is 6. This is kept as 2. And we're going to keep this still as a number because it hasn't become a 1 yet. And then 3 times 3 is 9. And we're also going to keep this number with the similar meaning of why we're keeping the number 2 with us. So now we have 2 and 3 left, not 1. Now we can do this one by one again. So in the previous slide, we saw that 2 goes into 2, 3 goes into 3 one time. Then all the numbers become 1. So I'll just draw it and show you to make you understand. 1. This becomes 1 because 2 times 1 is 2. This is still a 3. You write a 3, another 3 here. And now all the numbers have become 1. So now you can just leave this box for a while. Now look outside. There are the numbers 3, 2 and 3. So to multiply this, we're gonna first do 3 times 2, which is equal to 5. Then we're gonna do 5 times 3, which is equal to 15. So the answer is 15. That's the least common multiple of these set of numbers, 3, 6, and 9. Now we're going to go to factors. The factors of a number are the numbers that go into a number. In other words, the multiples of a number. For example, find the factors of 10. So the numbers that go into 10, but all those numbers should be 10 and below, are 1, 2, 5, and 10. So the factors of a number are mostly written in order to make anybody who's reading it understand that you're writing the factors. And now first we're going to work out the factors of 50. So what numbers go into 50? This requires lots of thinking if it's a really big number. So I'm going to start with 1. So 1, 150. I'm going to write it in order. 1, and then at the end it's going to be 50. 2 and 25. It doesn't go into 3. It doesn't go into 4. It goes into 5. 5 and 10. 6. No. 7. No. 8. No, not 8. 9. No. So then it's next 10. Now we're gonna go outwards now to the bigger numbers that go and match with 2 and 1. So 2 times 25 is equal to 50. And 1 times 50 is equal to 50. So to help you understand this better, we can just match up I'm using the smile method to make everybody understand, or it's a rainbow method, as some people call it, to match up the numbers and understand. We're writing the pairs that go into 50. 1 and 50, 2 and 25, 5 and 10. So these 3 pairs are the factors of 50. Can you find the factors of 100? So this is just basically the same method we're going to use, just a bigger number. So it has more pairs of factors. So we're going to start with 1. So if you find the factors and you're writing it in a list, it always starts with 1 because all the factors have 1 and that number itself. 1 times that number itself is equal to that same number. That's always there in all the numbers. So next is 2. 2 times 50. 3, it doesn't go into 3. 4 and 25. 5 and 20. 6, it doesn't go into 6. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. Next is 10. 10 times 10 is 100, and it's not really necessary to repeat the same number. So for example, 4 times 4 is 16. So when you're writing 4 once, you don't need to write 4 again. So we come to 10, the maximum. Now we're going to decrease, no, we're going to increase. So we're going to write the pairs this time. 10 times 10. I'm just writing it for everybody to understand more properly. Then we're going to write this pair, 5 and 20. The next 4 and 25. Then 2 and 50. Then 1 and 100. So the factors of 100 are these numbers. Thank you. Please like and share this video, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to get more notifications from PKC. Videos will be coming on any day of the week. Thank you. Bye-bye.